Hi friends, today we are going to be working with SelfCAD. We would start with a desktop organizer for the basic level. This is the desktop organizer that we are going to be modeling in this video. In order to create the desktop organizer, there are a couple of parts that has to be modeled. The first part would be to create the bookshelf. The second would be the lattice work. Next, we'll work on creating the drawer and the knob for the drawer, and finally we'll finish it with creating the geometric detail. Let us start the modeling by launching the editor in SelfCAD. Once you launch the editor, you can give in the name as desktop organizer. Select the orientation and let us create the project. By default, a cube is created in the workspace. Let us select the cube and delete it. To start by creating a cube of the measurement of 300 width, 210 height and 240 depth. Let us click the tick command in order to confirm our values. Let us create another cube of the values 270 width, 250 height and a depth of 120. Let us again click the tick command and change the color of the object for easy visualization purpose. In order to orbit around the workspace, you can use the view cube or you can use the left key of the mouse to orbit. You can use the central scroll button of the mouse to pan around. Let us select the top orientation and click on the object and select the move command. Let us move the object to the further end of the cube. Select the front orientation and change it to the wireframe mode. Let us move the object further above. Now, I'm going to create the slot for the drawer. I'm going to be using the same cube but in a smaller scale. So let me copy this object and scale it down. There are two ways in which the copy command can be done. The first method is selecting the object and going to Tools, Copy, Offset. Let me click number of copies as 1 and copy the objects. So there are two objects that are created. Let me show you an easier method. Select the object and click on the Move key, and while dragging the object, hold the Alt key and drag the object. Another copy of the object is made. Let us select the orientation and change it to the wireframe mode for easy visualization purpose and scale the object in the Z axis. This is the height of the drawer. Step would be to create a cube of width 400, height 120 and depth 120. Change the color of the material and using the move command, let us move the object to above the drawer's location. Changing it to wireframe mode helps us place the object to the position that we want. However, we would be placing it a little further to the outside of the cube. In the next video, we will be using Stitch and Scoop to create a Boolean difference and creating the bookshelf.